Hey guys, this is Tim and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson, I want to teach you how to play the song I Know Who Holds Tomorrow, written by Ira Stanphill in 1950. Just a beautiful gospel hymn. So in my description below, there's a link to Ultimate Guitar tabs that you can download the lyrics and chord sheet to this song and print that out and follow along as I teach this lesson to you. So let's get started. Song and easy song to play, I Know Who Holds Tomorrow. Just great lyrics written by Ira Stanphill. The chords used to play this song are G major, G7, C major, and D major. And the last chord to play is A7. Song. To review how to play these chords very quickly. To play G major, you place finger number 1 on string number 5 of the 2nd fret, finger number 2 on the very top E string, string number 6 on the 3rd fret, and then your little finger, finger number 4 on the 1st string of the 3rd fret, and then strum all strings. It's G major. Okay, to play G7, you place finger number 1 on string number 1 of the 1st fret, then stretch finger number 2 to the 5th string of the 2nd fret, and then finger number 3 on the 6th string, the top string on the 3rd fret, strum all strings. This is G7. So this chord is used to transition from, you got G major, G7, and it helps you transition into C major, which is the next chord. Okay, to play C major, you place finger number 1 on string number 2 of the 1st fret, and then skip a string and stretch finger number 2 on string number 4 of the 2nd fret, and then stretch your 3rd finger to the 5th string of the 3rd fret, strum all strings with this top E string. C major. The next chord to play is A7, A7. So to play A7, you place finger number 2 on string number 4 of the 2nd fret, and then finger number 3 on the 2nd string of the 2nd fret. Strum all strings with this top E string. That is A7. And then lastly, D major. To play D major, you place finger number 1 on string number 3 of the 2nd fret, finger number 2 on string number 1 of the 2nd fret, and then finger number 3 on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret, and strum the bottom 4 strings. It's D major. So the strumming pattern for this song is 4/4 time. I'm kind of strumming in 8th and 16th notes. So the very first downbeat, beat number 1, I'm just kind of strumming the bass strings. Then I'm strumming bass, down, up, down, up, down, up, bass, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So that's kind of what I'm strumming there. Now when you get to the C major chord, what I like to do on this is just simply on the bass strings pivot back on the string number 5 and string number 6. So I'll hit string number 5 first, which is the C note, and then hit string number 6, but I'll place my finger on this top E string on the 3rd fret, which is the G note. Okay, so it'd be like, so that just kind of adds what a bass guitar player would play. Then I would keep that same rhythm pattern there. So that's something that you can try. If not, just simply keep on playing the C major chord. Okay. So if we look at the verse, it starts off with the chord of G major. Okay, I don't know 2, 3, 4 about tomorrow. A7, I just lift C major, from day to G major, back to C major, back to G major, A7, D major, back to G major, G7, C major, back to G major, C major, back to G major, D major, G major, okay. So let's play that one more time and I'll sing it slow. Start off with a G major chord. Okay, let's play through one more time and I'll kind of sing through it again. Okay, I don't know about tomorrow, I just live from day to day. Back to C major. I don't borrow from its sunshine, for its sky may turn to gray. I don't worry for the future, G7, for I know what Jesus said. And today I'll walk beside him, for he knows what lies ahead. Okay, that's the verse. So pretty easy to play. So let's look at the chorus. We're going into the C major, and we'll be using that same strumming pattern. Okay. Many things about tomorrow, A7, I don't seem to understand, D major, but I know who holds tomorrow, and I know who holds my hand. Okay, let's look at that one more time. Going into C. Many things, C major, G major, A7, D major, G major, C major, back to G, D major, G major. Okay, very easy. And of course, this song has two other verses, verse 2 and verse 3, and then you just go back to the chorus and sing in between each one of those. Let's look at verse number 2, okay? Verse number 2, every step is getting brighter. Every step is getting brighter as the golden stairs I climb. Every burden's getting lighter. Every cloud is silver line. There's the sun is always shining. There no tear will dim the eye. At the ending of the rainbow, where the mountains touch the sky. Then you just sing the chorus one more time. So again, there's a link in my description below that you can download the lyrics and chord sheet to this song through Ultimate Guitar Tabs and learn the song together and have it for future use in playing this song. If you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure and hit the like button. I appreciate that. The more like buttons, just lets me know that you're enjoying these type of lessons and you'd like to see more of those as well. Also, if you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. It's free. There's no obligation, just simply bookmarks my channel on your subscriptions so I can easily be found, and you'll also be notified when new videos are uploaded. I'd like to thank all my current subscribers as well. Appreciate everyone viewing today, so have a great day. God bless you.